Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be going over 3 curly girl hairstyles. These hairstyles are easy to do and are my go-to when I'm rushing out the house. And no further ado, let's get on to the video. So, detangling their hair, I always like to have their hair at least braided the night before. If not, sometimes I just have to spray their hair with water and go in with a leave-in conditioner. I ordered my Demi Brush from Amazon and it works so much wonders. It worked better than me finger combing their hair out. So doing my daughter's hair, I use multiple products and I'm going to be showing you them as I go along. I switch up, depends on the type of texture of hair they have. I like to oil the scalp while I'm parting their hair to style. And I like to use the curling cream and also the custard gel, like gel custard on their hair because I feel like it holds. When it comes to scrunchies, I also like to use the thick curly type of scrunchies. I don't know if that makes sense, but I like the thick ones that is, it stretches really good because I don't need any snappage when I am doing their hair. So with her, I just like to stick to 4 ponytails or 3, and I just like to finger coil them down as I'm detangling the hair with the products. And it's very easy to do, and what makes it very pretty, which I don't have the clip in here because I don't know what happened. I don't know if it got deleted or what, but I like to use those really cute clips that just clips on in the front, and that's your hairstyle. They're pretty and they're ready to go. So this is my Otis, and she is super excited for this video, and it's just so funny how excited she was when I told her that she's going to be in my video this week. But doing the same old, basically parting their hair, oiling their scalps, the same. But the only difference is that she needs more moisture to be able to like put her hair into a ponytail and to get through everything, to tangle it, just because her texture is different. She had a mishap when she was younger and wound up cutting her hair, so we had to just shave it all off, and her hair came back 10 times thicker, which nothing is wrong with that. She just has her mother's texture and it's beautiful. So here I'm just gonna be parting her hair in 2 in the top and putting her hair in 2 pigtails, and she wants these clips on her hair so bad and they just don't coordinate. But sometimes you just gotta explain to them why you're doing what you're doing. So yeah, just gonna put them in 2 ponytails in the top and let her hair go free in the back. I'm going to start by saying that I'm not a professional parter. I suck at parting. So if you can tell, I'm doing this 100 times. Like, I have to keep going back and forth to see if it's straight or not. Sometimes I don't even care. So, yeah. And one fun fact is she is the most difficult one to do her hair. She's tender-headed and she just don't know how to be still. But I get through it. And she does too. So, like I said before, that she's very tender-headed, so I like to make sure it's very, very slippery when I'm combing through her hair because it helps. And also, what I do is just double the amount of curling cream and also custard, just so I can get the same slippage everywhere. This wooden Shea Moisture brush, I think I got from Walmart, and it works when it comes to the front of their head. It's not so rough, and I just feel like that little brush should do the trick because I already combed through with the Demi Brush. So I like finger coiling just so the curl pattern is just very neat and defined. And when it comes to the back of her hair, I really don't finger coil that because I just feel like it takes a lot of time. And like I said, I'm a mother of 4, and I just feel like the Demi Brush do the trick with the curl pattern. So yeah, I'm not going to really go in depth with finger curling the back of her hair, which I do sometimes, but not all the time. And here are the Mom Chronicles. My second youngest is taunting my oldest, and she just gave her a big smack on the face while I'm trying to do her hair. This is an everyday thing, and it's just inevitable. So after the curl patterns is where I want it to be on the back, in the back of her hair, I'm going to be adding these clips on, which are very cute. I just feel like it just adds to the hairstyle, like I said with my second youngest, and it's just simple and easy. And I do use the brown brush to clean up their edges and just straighten it up a little bit. This is my second oldest. Doing her hair is fairly easy. She's not as tender-headed, but she can be sometimes. So I just do the same old, part through the hair, oil it, leave-in conditioner. And she's very simple. 9 out of 10, she wants 2 ponytails or 1. And I feel like she's so cute with 2 ponytails or 2 buns. So that's what I'm going to be doing on her hair. And I like to use the Not Your Mother detangler on her hair just because I feel like it adds the extra slippage without using, 100 products on her hair. So her hair texture is just different. I want to say it's like my second youngest, and that's the only different hair product that I use on her hair. as I wrap it around, just so it's a camouflage and you can't really see it when I start putting the hair bows on top. And I just feel like these clips are more safer than a bobby pin, just because my biggest fear is the bobby pin to like scratch into her scalp. Dun, dun, dun. And here's the last finishing piece to the hair, is putting on these cute little bows on her head, which I feel like they're like, you know, it makes like a little crown on her head, like she's a little queen, princess. I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!